And I'm back. The sopa didn't really cook. So, let me put it up there. Because it's really hot. And I like to put hot stuff and hot things. Finally. I'm going to put it in for 30 seconds. And I'll show you what that dance. Ready? Ashley, first you whip like me. Can Malika walk like me? Can Sexy walk like me? Can hit the corn like me? Drop like me? Can hit the folks like me? Can name like me? Can do shuffle like me? So, I'm taking her ice cream. Okay, remember. Salt, pepper, adobo. I already put 1 cup of water in there. Got a red bowl. Got sopa. Got the pack, guys. Now let's get our thing to see if it's cooked. It's cooked now. Now we're gonna get. I'm gonna get a plate just in case. And mix this. Ooh, it's hot. Good. I want you to burn your hand off all the way. I hear my ice cream in my heart. I got some water. You need some milk. You shut your mouth. Boy. Annoying. You need some now, milk. Can you shut? Now I'm going to get my adobo. Wait, can you be quiet before I tell Daddy on you? Okay. So now I got...
No. Extra stuff. Put it back.
My package. Okay. Put my pepper. Put my
It's on, right?
No, it's off.
I don't know how to say
Who turned it off?
Oh, no, it's not.
No. Oh, I thought you meant like over here. I thought you meant that.
It's over the door.
Oh, that one is open. That one is open.
It's on?
Yeah, it's on.
How you know it's on?
Because he's beating on me. Okay. Now we're done with that. We're gonna mix it all together to get the texture together. So now also I'm gonna show you a drink I'm gonna eat with it because I eat stuff. I drink stuff. Now that's how you make sopa. Sorry. Rip. Jam.
Hit it with a
Whip,
staff.
and hit the folks.